French Mexican national ingredient that dates back to a things that you could have found in the ecosystem. We get over 200 food. I don't think you need meat product. I don't think one of these that go really well with the pork belly, the we have it on top of it, and then we have trap rod, then the sand. I come from a very humble beginning. So I just kind of LA. That's all my heart. 6.
Hey Mark, I'm going to start setting out the plates here.
So guys, variety of the insects, gold. What do you think?
Of the cricket, 113.
Good. Oh, yeah, you asked for it, man. You asked.
Cucumber, coriander, and chopped
Flour tortillas.
Aaron and Graham's dish that didn't quite hit the mark. What was it about James and Angel's dish? His restaurant, Pujol, in Mexico's.
We love growing up